So it seems like some of you are still having trouble captioning your photos in the metadata. So I decided to go ahead and make a quick video showing you 3 ways to caption your photos using Adobe Bridge, Photoshop, or Lightroom, whichever one you're more comfortable with. Alright, so we are in Adobe Bridge, and it's pretty simple. We're in the Essentials layout, and I've gone ahead and navigated to just some photos I took at a Veterans Day memorial ceremony in Columbus. So I picked a photo, and you can see here there are these fields that you can type in whatever you want. I'm going to go ahead and put my name as the creator, and we'll give it a title, and then let's come up with a caption here. Go ahead and fill that in. Add the date, and put my name again. In Bridge, the way you save all of this information to the metadata is just to click out of the metadata fields and into the general area, and you'll get a dialog asking if you want to apply these changes, and you're going to go ahead and click yes, apply, and it's saved to the metadata, and it should be there once you've uploaded it, downloaded it, sent it off. That metadata should stay with that file. Alright, so I've opened the same file in Adobe Photoshop, and I did that for a reason. A, just because I didn't have to find another file to open, and B, you can see that all of that information is still there. Another cool thing is there's more than just captions and authors. You can decide to declare whether or not this is copyrighted. I'm going to go ahead and say it is, since I don't want people stealing it. You can also add your contact information, website, email, phone number, and you can even put in where you live, but I tend not to do that. Now, to apply that, you're going to need to go ahead and apply everything you've done in that dialog, and then save the Photoshop document as a JPEG. Okay, now we are in Lightroom. So, for all of you Lightroom users, I don't know how you do it. I cannot stand this program at all. But you know what? Fine. I'll show you how to caption if you're struggling with captioning. It's actually pretty simple. So once you first import the file into Lightroom, in the library panel, there's going to be a little sidebar, and on that sidebar you can scroll down until you see a metadata panel. In that metadata panel, there will be an area where you can put in information like creator, author, anything you want. Description is where you should put your caption. And then to save all that, just edit your photo as you normally would, process it in other panels, and then export it as a JPEG. And that information should save into the metadata as well. So there you have it. 3 easy ways to caption your photos in 3 different Adobe programs. I hope this was helpful, and I hope it helped you guys to get better with your captioning, and maybe help you find an even easier way to caption than you've been doing before. Thanks for watching.